Alright, these are the elevators at the Marriott in downtown Richmond. And we have to talk over this music because they have loud music playing down here. We should get an elevator pretty quick. There's 2 of them on the first floor. So I'm not sure which one will come. It'll be this one right here. These are Westinghouse elevators, modernized by OTIS. And now we are in the elevator, so hopefully it'll be quiet. Scan our key card here, go up to 18. They're pretty slow for 18 floors. LL. Sounds like that clutch is hitting a little bit. Our room is on 9, so we're gonna go up to 9 and take a quick peek. This is actually a very good mod and they run very well. In the elevator lobby, you have a view outside. We are on the built-in mic on the standard lens now. And I have something interesting to show you about this elevator. Say you want to go to the 18th floor. You can get there, but you gotta stick your finger in here and feel around for the button. There it is. Kind of lower level. So yeah, so far I found a dirty bed here. And if you want to go to 18, you gotta feel around in here. And there's the button, see, look. You can see the button in there. All right, now we will go down to 9. Oh. As you can see, there's a view outside. So let's go check out room 907 at the Marriott in Richmond. All right, this is what a room looks like. We are in room 907. There's the bathroom to the left. Obviously, this has been somewhat lived in, but this is what a room in the Marriott hotel looks like, complete with a nice view. So stay tuned for the tour. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.